Hey everybody, Dave, November 1 Mike Foxtrot Lima here. And today I thought I'd give you a look at what's inside my Go Bag, my emergency bag, or plainly my Parks on the Air bag. This is the bag I take for my activations when I go to parks. And it really has everything I need to set up a quick station. Sans an antenna, mainly because I have a separate bag for an antenna. I'll do another video on that, what I carry for antennas. But this is pretty much just to get my station up and running and everything I really need or will need to run it. So I'm going to open it up and let's take a look at what I have in it. You'll be amazed. It probably weighs, this is a good 20-pound bag. I'm not going to go up a mountain with it. But to carry to a park for an activation to set up on a picnic table, it's no problem at all. So let's start off down here in this pocket. Basically, when you open this up, and there's lots of pockets in this, which is why I like it. The first thing you're going to see is I have a HF antenna analyzer. This is a Rig Blaster AA35 Zoom, which covers all the HF frequencies I use. And along with that, I have a cable if I want to hook up to a computer and use the power of the computer or have it hook up to the computer. I can do that. So that sits in that pocket right there. And I like this bag. I forgot where I bought this. I think I got it from one of the ham stores. But it has a lot of pockets on it and it holds quite a bit. Up here is all my cables. I have cables up here. I have bungee cords up here. I have Anderson power pole connector plugs up here. I have various connectors, adapters that I may need, plugs for my phone if I want to run power, you name it. All my plugs, USB plugs, anything I need, and also the plug to connect the radio to the computers in here. That's all up in that section. Coming over to this next area here, when you open up the area, well, this is an important area. First thing it's going to have in it is it's going to have a Rig Blaster 4005, so I can have some fuse protection to go between my battery box and my radio. Next is the radio itself, and in this case, the radio is right there. That's a Yaesu 891 with mounts on here. I put some side rails on here to protect the dials, and it gives me a nice base for setting up on a table or a car hood. So that's my rig. So let's get that back together in here. So I can get that back. Alright. So next, moving on to this next section, which is back here. Here I have my tuner, which is an MFJ. This is a plug and play 200 watt MFJ 939. And sometimes I use that. If I use my infed, I'll use that. Otherwise, if I have resonant antennas, I also keep another portable antenna in here. This is a HFJ 350M from Comet. It's a telescopic whip that goes right in the back of the radio, and I use counterpoises with the various bands to get my SWR down. That's all in here. In addition to that, I also have wire for my counterpoise. And I have all my coax in here. So I have some coax right there. So that's where all my antenna coax goes. So if I'm putting up an infed or any other antenna I carry, it goes right into that section. So let's zip that up. And finally, this has a little back section back here. If you can see that. Zippers all over the place in this bag. Let's see if we can get this open here. Just got to find where the zipper is. Where is it? There we go. Okay. And back here is where I keep my computer. And the plug for the computer. Oh, let's put that down. And to carry on activations, I like to try to stay small and portable. So I have a Microsoft Surface with type cover. So this can be deployed pretty quickly. Gives me all my logging program in 3FJP. Gives me all my digital software. Everything is right here. And I can connect. I have a little side adapter so I get all my legacy ports for USB and so forth. All right there in the in one package. So that I can deploy pretty quickly. And let's look at that. So in this pocket here is a mouse if I need one. And here is that legacy adapter. So this clips onto the side of the Surface Book, and it's a Surface Book Go, Surface Go, and it gives me all my ports. So I have an HDMI port, I have 2 USB ports, I have micro and full SD card support here, and it just plugs right into the side. The plugs. And that gives me pretty much everything I need in one package. So that's my complete Go kit, my Parks and the Air kit. And I thought I'd just share that with you. You know, what do you guys have? So up on Pota 413 here, we want to see your portable gear. So let's see what you're activating with. Antennas, gear, your Go bags, your Go boxes. That's what we're here for. We love seeing this stuff. So post it on up, and I look forward to watching it. So we'll catch you all guys all later on. N1MFL with you. Take care, be safe, and we'll catch you later.